to fix Ticketmaster error. If you're going through the Ticketmaster error while trying to operate the platform, then here are some troubleshooting methods you can follow. The first thing to check is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. You can always try switching to another network if you've got an alternative. Once you have a stable internet, you can go ahead and try logging into your Ticketmaster.com account and see if that fixes the issue. If it works, then it means that your problem was network related. If the problem still continues, the next thing to do is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. From your browser, go and click the three dots at the top right and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. Click the Clear Browsing Data button, and between Advanced and Basic, select one of the tabs and select the time range you'd like to delete the data from. Make sure that the two boxes where it says Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files are checked. Once you are done, click on Clear Data. Once you clear out the data from your web browser, simply go back to the Ticketmaster.com website and try refreshing the web page. Soon after you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. If it still does not work, then make sure that you've disabled browser extensions from your web browser. Some browser extensions might interfere with Ticketmaster's functionality, so if you've downloaded any kind of a web extensions, go ahead and remove it temporarily by clicking the Remove button from the Extension tab. If your device is connected to any VPN, make sure to disconnect from a VPN temporarily and then go back to the website Ticketmaster.com and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through the Ticketmaster error on your PC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another video. Goodbye till then.